In this video, we will be working with angle measures given in degrees, minutes, and seconds. Specifically, we're going to be finding the complements and supplements. Traditionally, angle measures were given in degrees, with part of a degree given in minutes and seconds. "60 seconds equals 1 minute, which means that 1 minute is a 60th of a degree. Or 1 second is a 60th of a minute. Or a second is 1/3600th of a degree. So let me show you, we have 10 degrees. We can borrow one of the degrees and make it 9 degrees, but then we still have equal to that 10 degrees, we would have 9 degrees and 60 minutes. Then we can borrow from our 60 minutes, make it 59 minutes, and we'll have 60 seconds left over. So we have 9 degrees, 59 minutes, and 60 seconds, all equal to 10 degrees. Recall, complementary angles are two angles whose sum is 90. Angle A plus angle B equals 90, okay? Or we can take the 90, subtract angle A to get the complement, angle B. Supplementary angles are two angles whose sum is 180. Angle C plus angle D would equal 180. Or we can take 180 and subtract angle C to get the supplement, angle D. If we're going to be finding the complement or the supplement of an angle, we're going to be subtracting the angles from 180 or 90, but we're going to be using angles with minutes and seconds. So let me show you how to subtract with minutes and seconds. So we'll start off here, 67 minus 11 degrees, 21 minutes and 31 seconds. I'm going to rewrite the 67 degrees, and it has 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Since we will be subtracting minutes and seconds, I'm going to go ahead and do the borrowing first. Okay, so we'll start off by borrowing from our 67, making it 66 degrees, and we'll have 60 minutes. And then we still have 0 seconds. Then we're going to borrow from our minutes to give us our seconds. So we'll take off one of the minutes, make it 59 minutes, or give us our seconds, 60 seconds, make it 59 minutes, and we still have 66 degrees. 66 degrees, 59 minutes, and 60 seconds is the same thing as 67 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to subtract 11 degrees, 21 minutes, and 31 seconds. And so we will just take these two right here, the 60 seconds and the 31 seconds, and subtract them. Then, and we get 29 seconds. Now we're going to subtract just the 59 minutes minus 21 minutes, and we get 38 minutes, and 55 degrees minus 11 degrees is 55 degrees. And that is our final answer. For the next example, we're going to find the complement of 43 degrees and 14 minutes. So we know when we want to find the complement, we have to subtract from 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. We want to subtract this 43 degrees and 14 minutes. But first, let's go ahead and borrow so we have degrees and minutes for our 90 degrees. So we're going to borrow from our 90, and it's going to become 89 degrees so that we can have 60 minutes. And then we'll just subtract our 43 degrees and 14 minutes from that to get the complement. So 60 minus 14 is 46 minutes, And 89 minus 43 is 46. So 46 degrees and 46 minutes is the complement of 43 degrees and 14 minutes. For this example, we're going to find the supplement of 117 degrees, 42 minutes, and 15 seconds. So again, we know if we're going to find the supplement, we would know it has to add up to 180 degrees. So we're going to borrow from our 180 degrees to give us some minutes and some seconds. So we know we have 179 degrees, 59 minutes, and 60 seconds. And from there, we'll subtract our 117 degrees, 42 minutes, and 15 seconds. 60 minus 15 is 45 seconds. 59 minutes minus 42 minutes is 17 minutes. 179 minus 117 degrees is 62 degrees. All right, so 62 degrees, 17 minutes, and 45 seconds is the supplement of this angle. Just a quick recap. Degrees, parts of degrees can be written in minutes and seconds. Complements add to 90, two angles that add to 90. Supplements add to 180. And remember, to subtract, you want to borrow from the degrees.